Hello and welcome to the Arty Mummy. This is Kathy and it is day one of my 365 days of art challenge. And the first page of this book is looks really simple, but I decided because I'm really not confident with watercolour that I would use it just to practice a little bit of colour mixing and getting the colours to flow basically like a rainbow, something really simple, and to try and get just really nice even colour in my little triangles to make the pattern. It really surprised me actually how long this took. The whole thing from start to finish was about 45 minutes, but it was fun to do, and I was a little bit surprised by the variety of the depth of colour I could get by having the various amounts of pigment in the paint. Probably shouldn't have been surprised by that, but they do work very much differently to acrylic or oil, which I'm used to. So I found that to be a little bit of a challenge, just to get it all really nice and even. Other than that, it was just a really enjoyable little process to complete these triangles and have them all going in a lovely kind of a rainbow effect down the page. Something I'm really loving about the watercolours is that they are just so vibrant and pretty. I really love these colours, and the reason I really want to practice watercolour and kind of get used to them is because I'm starting to do these illustrations for books, and watercolour seems to be the go, so I might revert to acrylic or something with some of them, but I'd really like to expand my painting to include watercolour, just because I think if I can get my head around them, I think there's so much that you can do with watercolour that just gives you such a different effect to any other kind of painting, and you can do such vibrant and delicate work with it. I've always admired good watercolourists and always thought it was just a little bit out of my league, but I'm going to give it a go, and hopefully by the end of this year I will have a fair grasp on them. So tell me what you think, and whether you've tried watercolour before, or if you are a watercolourist, maybe you could give me some hints and tips. And if you are just like me and have only had a little bit of experience using them, and probably not a great one at that because you've never really taken the opportunity to learn, then you might want to join me on this little 12-month journey and see where it takes you as well. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with more 365 day challenge, day 2. I'll see you then. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like my mummy's videos, please like and subscribe. We really love having you. Let me remember. We can't wait to see you again next time. Bye! Na 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 na.